Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to sign out of your Google account using the Google Chrome app. Whether you're switching accounts or simply logging out for security, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings. Once the app is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open the menu. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Chrome experience, including your Google account. At the top of the settings page, you'll see your Google account or email address displayed. Tap on it to access specific options related to your account. This section allows you to view and manage your account details. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Sign Out. Tap on it, and Chrome will log you out of your Google account. It's as simple as that. Once signed out, your account will no longer be linked to Chrome on this device. And there you have it. You're officially signed out of your Google account on Chrome. Remember, signing out helps protect your privacy and ensures that no one else can access your personal information while using your device. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for managing your Google account effectively.